I'm going to play and teach a tune called Whiteface. This is a contemporary tune written by Joe Thrift, a violin maker and fiddler from North Carolina. But although it is a contemporary tune, it's one of those ones that's crossed into old-time repertoire, and you'll find lots of fiddlers and other old-time musicians who play this tune. You're tuned in G, but it's kind of in E minor, basically, the 6 minor chord. I'm going to play through it a couple times, and I want you to listen for a couple of things. One is that I'm using there are a lot of long notes in this tune, and instead of just bum diddy, I'm doing bum diddy, drop thumb diddy. So it gives you lots and lots of drop thumb practice. It just helps it fill in those spaces in a more pretty way. Also, please notice the structure of the tune. Instead of being, A, A, B, B, or a 4-bar A repeated and then a 4-bar B repeated, which would be 16 bars instead of 32 bars. Well, this has a 4-bar A part that's repeated, a 4-bar B part that's repeated, and then a C part, a third part that you play 3 times. So here's 24. So it's essentially a 26-bar tune. No, 28-bar tune, excuse me. Had to count it out. So kind of listen for the different parts of the tune as I play this, and then I'll break it down and teach it. It's not a tough tune. You can do it. If you can, you do your drop thumb. It's pretty easy, and there's lots of places to kind of fix it up and make it a little bit your own. Okay, that's Whiteface. So, you're tuned in G, G, D, G, B, D. And you're going to notice the relationship between this E minor chord, it's a 6 minor, and your C chord, your 4 chord. If you lift up your index finger from your 4 chord, you have the 6 minor chord. And the whole third part of this tune is basically a lot of rocking back and forth between the C and the E minor. Okay, so I hope I don't confuse you. There are going to be some places where you could do a simpler thing or a little bit more complex thing, and I'm trying to appeal to people who want a little more challenge or people who want to, I'm barely hanging on as it is. So here we go. So start with this E minor chord, which is, remember, it's like your C, but with your finger off, the index finger off. That's what we'll learn, okay? So, strum, diddy, 5th fret, 4th fret. Now put your finger on the 2nd fret, and you're going to hammer on at the 4th fret. You're going to hit it. So hammer on, diddy, going to go pull off, and then the second string. So we're going to go over just that much again. Starts with the E minor chord. Bum, diddy, fifth, fourth, hammer on, diddy, pull off, and. That and is on the second string. Now, you're. So this is a very common place for your middle finger to hang out here when you're, if it's a 5 chord in a G tuning, because you're doing this. And I have a tendency to put both fingers down. So we're going to start with this, and we're going to go bum diddy, and then pull off, and then your E minor chord, bum, hit it on the 4th string, diddy. So then I'm doing a couple of those bum diddy drop thumb diddy bum diddy drop thumb diddy. So let's go over that whole first part again, because then you'd repeat that, and that's all there is for the first part. So E minor chord, bum diddy bum bum, hammer on diddy drop, 2nd string, 3rd string diddy, pull off bum. Again, bum diddy bum bum, hammer on diddy, pull off, 2nd string, 3rd string diddy, pull off bum diddy. Okay. Then you can slow me down, make me sound drunk, go over that a little bit, and then we're ready for the B part. Here we go. B part starts on a 1 chord, so you need this hand for the first little bit. Bum diddy. That's easy. On the 3rd string. Bum diddy. And then bum diddy. That's the 2nd string. Pull off diddy. Same place we pulled off before, on the 3rd string. Pull off diddy. And then back to your E minor chord and hit your 4th string. Bum diddy. Drop thumb diddy. Bum diddy. Drop thumb diddy. Let's just go over that part again. Starts with the 1 chord. 2 bum diddies on the 1st string, and then a bum diddy on the 2nd string. Bum diddy, bum diddy, bum diddy, pull off diddy, bum diddy, drop thumb diddy, drop thumb diddy. So you play that twice. Bum diddy, bum diddy, bum diddy, pull off diddy, bum diddy, drop thumb diddy, bum diddy, drop thumb diddy, bum diddy, pull off diddy, bum diddy, drop thumb diddy, bum diddy, drop thumb diddy. All right, leave your hand there as an E minor chord as we go into the 3rd and final part, because you're going to put your finger down and you're going to hit the 2nd string of this C chord, of this 4 chord. Bum diddy, drop thumb diddy, bum diddy, drop thumb diddy, bum, and then you lift it up and play the 2nd. Same thing, bum, with your right hand. Bum diddy, drop thumb diddy, and then the 4th string. Diddy, drop thumb diddy. C chord again. Bum diddy, drop thumb diddy. Let's hammer it on. Hammer on diddy, drop thumb diddy. Bum diddy, drop thumb diddy. Bum diddy, drop thumb diddy. And I told you there are 3 of these, so you got to do one more. Bum diddy, drop thumb diddy. Hammer on diddy, drop thumb diddy. Bum diddy, drop thumb diddy. Bum diddy, drop thumb diddy. And then you're all ready to go into the A part of the tune again. But this 3rd part we went over a little bit quickly, so let's go a little bit slower here in case you didn't catch on to that. So you're going to go on. You're going to hit the 2nd string with your C chord down here. You're going to go bum diddy, drop thumb diddy, bum diddy, drop thumb diddy, and then take your hand off. 2nd string again with your right hand. Bum diddy, drop thumb. Now the 4th string. Bum diddy, drop thumb diddy. Bum diddy, drop thumb diddy. And let's hammer it on. 2nd string. Diddy, drop thumb. 2nd string again. Bum diddy. And your fourth string. Bum, diddy, drop, thumb, diddy. All that again. Bum, diddy, drop, thumb, diddy. Hammer on diddy, drop, thumb, diddy. Bum, diddy, drop, thumb, diddy. I almost put myself to sleep there. All right, that's Joe Thrift's tune called Whiteface. And good luck with it. Let me know if you have questions or problems with it, and I can help you.